Hey everyone, how's it going? So I just wanted to do a real quick short video here on something. Remember my Dodge truck? I had the nail in the sidewall and I put a regular rope plug in there and the rope plug started pushing out. So then I wound up getting those ones that you glue in place from the outside, and I never considered them to be a permanent repair when you're going to the outside. But the company Tech, T-E-C-H, that sells those plugs, they say, no, it's a permanent repair. You can do it. You know, if you wind up with a belt shift, that's a different story, but you can do it. So I just want to show you real quick. It's been, I can't tell you how many months. I don't remember. I'd have to look back and see when I posted that video. But I've probably put 5,000 miles on this thing. I've towed my trailer with this thing. I don't recommend it. I'm going to tell you flat out, don't do it. But I'm just going to show you what I did, because I was going to replace this tire, and some people said, why don't you just see how long it lasts first before you bother replacing it? So I was like, all right, I can do that. I mean, the tire's starting to get a little low anyway on tread, so it's going to need a tire soon. It's funny because I don't do burnouts or anything with this thing, really. I mean, I have, but nothing to an extreme. And this tire is the most worn out tire on the car. And I don't, like, even when it's raining out or whatever, I don't really spin the tire on this thing. So it's kind of weird that this tire has worn out that dramatically compared to the other ones. But here, if you look, there it is. It was 2 plugs that I put in. And like I said, I don't remember how many months ago it was, and it was at least 5,000 miles ago that I did that. But if you look, the tread is starting to get worn down. Like, there's the wear bar right there. But if you compare it to the other rear tire, it's getting worn, but it's not nearly as close. Like, there's the wear bar there. It's not nearly as close, and it's definitely not as close as the front tires. And I've never rotated these things either. Actually, no, I shouldn't say that. I did rotate these once. And I'll explain that in a second. The tires are still in pretty good shape. If you all recall my Chevy Silverado 1500, I had put these tires on that truck because it needed tires. And I drove it for maybe 10,000 miles. And I knew I was going to get rid of that truck. And this thing had a mixed match. It had 2 different tires in the rear as compared to the front. And the tires were meh. So I basically had the tires swapped over to the 1500 Chevy that I had. And I sold that truck with those tires. They were still good tires, but I knew I was going to be using this way more. So I may as well have the good tires on this one. So, but anyway, that's the only time the tires were ever actually rotated. So I just thought I'd show you that. Anyway, that's about it. All right, well, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.